Hey guys, it's Marlena Monique and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be seeing what I can get done in just an hour. I set aside an hour because I just don't want to clean up for the rest of the evening, so I want to rest. So I've only set aside an hour to get some things done. If you are new here, please consider subscribing before you leave. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And to all of those that are coming back, thank you for watching. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I got about 5 minutes left in the hour. There's no way that I'm going to get through that entire pile of clothes that you just saw. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish through that and then I'll be done. Again guys, thank you so much for watching.
Kathy.